All right, good morning, students. Second and fourth block. You're going to be working today on some notes. I want to go over the bell ringer first, and then I will go through the notes and then give you some instructions on your independent practice. So remember, you need to make sure that you do submit your work today. So let's do the bell ringer first. Remember, in physical science, you go to today's activities or modules. We're going to go down to we're going to go down to Wednesday. February 24th. Here's the bell ringer. Mine's going to look a little bit different because I'm not in student mode. Now, this is going to be a little bit different. You're going to need a sheet of paper. So I'll have the sub give you a sheet of paper. And you're going to then take a video of this. When you do this, you're going to click on the upload media icon when you get your text box. You're going to click record and you're going to record this. But since many of you will be here at school, you can just hand the sheet of paper to the substitute and I will grade it then and get your points in. But if you want to try this, you can. If you're working from home, you do need to follow the instructions in red here for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip through or to a Jamboard. And the first one says draw an electron dot structure for carbon. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go to a blank page. And to draw an electron dot structure for carbon, you are going to need your periodic table. You're going to find carbon. It's on the right-hand side. And so I'm just going to write the word carbon here. You're going to see that it is in column 4A. So you're going to draw the symbol. So carbon, the symbol is C. And you're going to put the group number, which is 4, is the valence electrons. So you're going to put 4 electrons around carbon. And so for number 1, that is what you need on your paper. All right, I'm going to flip over here and see what number 2 says. Draw an electron dot structure for the ionic compound between potassium and chlorine. All right, again, so this is going to be, we'll go to a second slide. Number 2, potassium and chlorine. I'm going to look on my periodic table. Potassium is a metal. It is in group 1. Its symbol is K. I'm going to put a dot. It's in group 1, 1 dot. Chlorine is in group 7, and I think we did this one yesterday, and it's going to have 7 dots. Remember, you draw the arrow to show that potassium is giving that electron to chlorine. Chlorine now has 8. Potassium has gotten rid of its 1, so I'm going to write KCl. Okay, now we have question number 3. Draw the electron dot structure for an ionic compound between magnesium and phosphorus. So I'm going to come back over here, go to a new slide. 3, magnesium and phosphorus. Magnesium is in group 2, Mg. Phosphorus is under nitrogen. It is in group 5. So group 2 for magnesium. Phosphorus is group 5. Remember, I said that if it's any of them in group 5, it's going to be interesting. It's going to take a little more work. So for magnesium, it goes here, and one goes here. Phosphorus still has one. I'm going to need another magnesium with 2. Well, one goes here. I'm going to need another phosphorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I still have 2 here, so another magnesium. 1, 2 for these last 2. So my formula is going to be Mg3P2. So that is the bell ringer, and I'm going to stop the video here. And remember, you can either go to the text box, click on the video, and record a video of your paper, or just hand in the paper to the sub.